Welcome back to your computer application class, class 8. In this part of the video, we will switch over to the new chapter, that is cloud computing. In this chapter, we will learn about the introduction of cloud computing, Google Docs, how we can share the files with the help of Google Drive, and how we can upload the files in Google Drive. Let's begin with the introduction of cloud computing. Child, we always heard about the concept of startup. Startup companies is very knowing terms in day-to-day life. The people are creating their own IT companies to launch their product, right? But whenever you create any company or whenever you start any startup, then you need first of all an office, some of the hardware components like computers, servers, softwares, and a place where you can keep it, and some of the IT expert. But all these things require a lot of expenses, right? And whenever you have a startup, then there is always a 50-50 chances that whether it will work or it will not work out. If it works, then your expenses will also increase, and if it didn't work, then you have to decrease your expenses, which is not very economical for a person who had just started a company. For solving this problem, we introduced a concept that is a cloud computing. Now, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. Resources include email messages, schedule, music, photos, videos, games, websites, program, and so on. Services terms include accessing softwares and storing files online. Instead of accessing these resources and services locally on your computer, you can access them on computer. You can save your files on the computer, and whenever you want to retrieve that information, you can retrieve it through the internet. In that case, the cost of resources and services is reduced. Some of these resources are free of cost and some of the resources are paid. If you are using paid services, then you only need to pay once, and then at least for a year you can use it according to the terms of company. As a result, you need not to make large investment in equipment or the staff to support it. Especially during the pandemic period, cloud computing is very helpful. People are choosing cloud computing for the various reasons. They are accessibilities, cost saving, space saving, and scalability. Now, with the help of accessibility, we can understand that data and applications are available worldwide from any computer or any device. It can be accessed with the help of internet services. It is a cost saving because the expenses of the software and the high-end hardware products is reduced. Third is space saving. Floor space required for the servers and the hardware shifts away from the user because all the information is stored on the internet and we can easily use it without investing our money into the space requirement. Next is scalability. Cloud computing provides the flexibility to increase or decrease computing requirement as needed. There are some uses of cloud computing. Let's go through it. People use cloud computing capabilities to store and access document, photos, videos, and other media online. The next reason is people uses it to use software programs and web applications like emails. Another reason is cloud computing is useful to share ideas and content with others online using social network. Cloud computing also helpful to create new apps and services, and cloud computing is a great host website and blogs. In the next part of the video, we will learn about characteristics of cloud computing, types of cloud computing, advantages of cloud computing, Google Drive, and how we can upload the files on Google Drive. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.